Good morning, one and all, and welcome to the video. This video, I actually was last night reading some blogs about time series data, right? So, what are the libraries that we can use for time series forecasting? We all know that we could write RNN and all that stuff from scratch, but are there any libraries that can do that job? And just on a high level, I provide an X as a time series and a Y as a data to predict. Well, there are actually, and this blog post does cover all of that. Pratik Gandhi wrote a nice blog on June 28th on this website. So the top seven essentially libraries that I would like to talk for forecasting time series data. TS Fresh. TS Fresh is a fantastic Python package that creates that can automatically calculate a large number of time series features. He has given some examples. It's good. My personal favorite was Profit, and I think it's after this one. But let's read the other one. Auto TS. Auto TS is an automated time series forecasting library that can train multiple time series model using straightforward code. Auto TS means automatic time series. Okay, that's good. It's good to know that. After that, we have Profit. Profit. So this is the one that I like. I think the Facebook researchers released an open source library. Profit is a well-known time series package developed by research team at Facebook. With its first release in 2017, it works with data that has strong seasonal effect and several seasonal of historical data. It's highly user-friendly and the customizable with minimum efforts to set it up. It can handle the following things: daily seasonality, holiday effects, input on regressions, and stuff like that. Has all these graphs built into that. So yeah, that's that. Then you have DAR TS. The best part of this package is that it can support not only unvariant but also supports multivariant time series models. The library also makes it easy to backtest models and combine prediction, several models and external regression. So this is also good. I think then we have ATSPY. ATSTS Pi stands for Automated Time Series Model in Python. The goal of the library is to forecast univariate time series. Okay, so that's also the library. Then we have, I think, CATS. I haven't heard about this before, to be honest. So let's just read the definition for CATS. CATS is another recent library developed by researcher teams at Facebook dedicated specially to handle time series data. The goal of this framework is to provide a complete solution for solving time series problems. Using this library, time series analysis, detection of pattern including seasonality, okay, outlier, and trend changes. Oh, that's pretty nice. It's good. So CATS, okay. And the seventh one would be Skytime. Skytime is a library, as the name suggests, unified Python library that works for time series data and time series data and scikit-learn compatible. It has model for time series forecasting, regression, classification. The main goal is to develop was to incorporate scikit-learn. Okay, scikit-learn. So basically a top level module on that. My favorite, as I said, Profit. Profit is one of the great library. I would leave these links in the description as well. So these are the seven libraries you can use to do time series forecasting, right? I hope this video was useful. I have a habit usually every night, reading blogs and going over articles. So that way I keep myself updated. Okay, these are the new libraries. These are the things we use. Okay. So that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any more questions, list your question in the comment section below. I would be very happy to help you out. Once again, keep smiling, keep programming, and I would see you guys in the next video.